People have been stuck on the road for good 3 to 4 days. This is not the first time. This is not just the beginning. It has been going on before. A lot of people are frustrated, and this is the major road leading to the southeastern part of the country. This is a Benin Agbo Road. So Edo Delta Road is this. You can imagine the Delta state that is bringing almost half of the money, half of the revenue that Nigeria is getting, but they don't have roads. That is what you get when you have agreement with criminals just for you to be in power. Now you see, David Umahi. David Umahi is just a minister that is under a remote control. David Umahi can never do things on his own. I'm saying this because of what I have observed. You know, Adams Oshomele was on the Senate floor lamenting that Umahi is not doing anything. He's just focusing on Lagos, Coastal Road, Lagos Road. Like everything about Lagos is what Umahi is focusing. Who is he actually trying to please? Who is he actually trying to please? Now, do I even blame Umahi? No. Now, the victims of this bad road, that is Edo and Delta, there are two governors. Let me repeat their statements. Okpebondo said he's going to give APC government Tinubu to say 2.5 million vote comes 2027 general election. And during the trend of insecurity in Edo State, Okpebondo said that even though they kidnap him, that he will still give Tinubu 2.5 million vote. Then, the governor of Delta State, that is the state where I came from, Sheriff Oborewori said that his major project is to making sure that Tinubu will win the 2027 election in Delta State. That his major project. So all this road you are seeing is not their major project. Like, they don't even send you. These are not their major projects. They just need the money. They get the money, do whatever they want to do, put it back to campaign. Ordinary people, whatever you find, you manage, like you're on your own. That is how, the level that people's life have been taken up to. No respect for human life any longer. No respect for people who brought you to power. You are turning back on them to telling your people that your major project now is Tinubu's election. What happened to the oath you swore to protect the people of your state and so on and so forth? Anyway, it's so unfortunate what is going on.
This is Agbo Road in Benin, the road leading to the east, the road leading to Anambra, leading to Owerri, leading to Asaba Delta, Asaba, road leading to the east. Look at what is happening here. You will never believe it. Look at how bad it has become. That those that are traveling, those going to the east, slept on the way. They are stuck. Look at the level of gridlock. People are still stuck on the way. Those that left Lagos since yesterday are stuck. No movement, no hope. In an era of renewed hope, no hope. Just imagine the level of suffering. Imagine the level of suffering. Look at how people are suffering. Some women, parents with their children, both old and young, are here, stuck in this very gridlock. No movement, and there is no hope. Honestly, no hope, no movement. No movement at all. Articulated vehicles, trucks, luxurious buses, small vehicles. All of them are stuck here in this gridlock. This is Benin Agbo Road, going to the east. And you begin to ask questions. What is really happening? Where is the governor of Pueblo? What are you telling the president? Where is that?
So guys, it's today on a part 3. Part 3 of Edo, Asaba, Benin Express Road bypass. Today on a part 3. The other day on 20th, we left 1920th Lagos of this last 3 days ago, we encountered the same hold up that I posted. Now yesterday the same thing, then yesterday we entered this hold up yesterday. Now look at the funny thing that this government, don't even have human feelings at all. What they call human feelings, they don't have it at all. Just imagine for going to a week now, people are suffering in Edo, Benin bypass, Asaba Expressway. Nobody, no, that is the governor, know the shake body. The senator, know the shake body. Local government chairman, nothing, nobody shake body. People what we call our leaders. See, all these motorways you see here, some of them, their goods, they fall. All these trucks, they fall. And they pay heavy tax. After paying heavy tax, their load will go spoil for road. Government no go compensate them anything. Those who will go buy trucks, put for road, if their license expire, they go renew. Vehicle license, roadworthiness, they go renew everything. All these things, they go for government pause. Then those who will get that trucks, what will be the benefit where they benefit from government? Road where government supposed to fix, they don't go fix. Just imagine water everywhere, see. Bad road everywhere. Individual, they suffer. At the end of the day, government go seek on tax them. Huh? Which kind of government be this one? The funniest thing is that they used to go to abroad where things are working well, where things are doing accordingly. They will love to go there. Their children will go to school there. Everything. But the funny part of it is that they can never come back to implement it here in our country called Nigeria. Make you see how heartless these people are. How wicked they are. They go send their children school abroad. We go there here. Our education will be 0%. Our children will go there. Their own will go abroad. With our money, with me and your money. Nobody their money. They're going to give their family the best of life. Our own best of life in Nigeria here. They don't go do away for us. The only Nigeria see say president go do finish. You know go in village, go rest, go to chop all this local food where they nourish body. Rather I go prefer to go another man's country where another president do well, go rest there, go holiday there, go vacation there. Say you don't do finish, you go stand there for life. But the place where you rule, why another country president no dey come rest for Nigeria if they don't rule finish? Why? Because we are not doing things in order. Everything, corruption everywhere. See road. Huh? Tanker go carry fuel, come now, 4 years now, bomb people. Hey! That is the end of it. Nothing will happen. People's goods go to fall left, right, center. Nothing will happen. Yes, they go send you know how many people government don't send to early grave? You know how many people government don't send to early grave? Work road, hospital, education, waiting we go hold hand for our government. Waiting we go and say, see this thing, 911, NEPA, that one at 0%. Common light where Benin they take they do Sadaka. Now with the bomb fuel as if to say I don't know the adjective I will take qualifying this is our government, this is our leaders. Because country Nigeria nothing do more. Nigerian country, nothing do. But now the people where they said Nigeria, and be the problem of Nigeria. Imagine, look at sufferness. Look at sufferness. Hold up, left, right, center. Everywhere, people they suffer. Only God go help us for this country. Only God. But God don't try your own now. He give us all the whole mineral resources. Tell me the mineral resources when Nigeria don't get, when God no bless us with. Tell me. No type of mineral resources where every country ready for Nigeria get, where Nigeria no get. We get everything, but yet, bad leader. Bad leaders don't kill us. Huh? Which kind of country be this one? God, please help us. Just help us, give us Messiah, we go come save us. God, I beg your hand with you. Fiawa.
Hey, Jesus. Jesus. Ew. You go see small pikin for inside that car, oh. Jeez. Me dey first say that small pikin. Ah. That boy. Hey, oh, that boy try, oh. Jesus. The driver ask am where they rush. They go, you know, see say road not dead here. The motor don't sick. The motor don't sick for itself. Nigeria.